me so mad. Oh, you make me so mad.
Hello and welcome to another episode of That's Just How We Talk. On this episode, guys, we are today talking about travels.
Are you a free spirit?
Huh?
I don't know. I just opened this notepad to just write random things and to maybe doodle and draw something, and suddenly a page has appeared. I think it's a sign from the universe. I think the universe wants us to play this quiz.
Okay.
Are you a free spirit?
No, the answer is no. I
I
know
am.
that about myself.
मेरे तो Instagram के bio में भी मैं free spirit
तो फिर
बुला
हम why the
दूंगा.
fuck are we doing this quiz if we know?
I don't know if I'm a fake free spirit or.
Okay. Tell questions.
Guys, play along with us.
Okay, tell questions.
Okay. यहाँ पे score guide भी है, bro. And then there is stick away the ones that relate. So you keep score.
Okay.
कुछ तो काम आई notepads का.
Okay.
You have tried a water sport and loved it. I have.
Yes.
Which water sport have you tried?
Bathing.
That's a sport for you. Oh my God, Gursimran, you try so hard to sound funny sometimes.
The
Have
sport
I
that is
tried a
correct.
water sport?
Swimming.
That's
Swimming is a water sport. Swimming is a
Oh,
water
of
sport.
course.
Of course. माइकल फेल्प्स वहाँ 50 मेडल जीत चुका है. चलो आगे बताओ. Free spirit, yes.
You have tried sitting in water.
Yes.
For you, that's like an achievement.
I like to marinate in water. Then what is
Is that
second?
one for you? No.
No,
That's
zero.
one for me.
Yeah.
Okay, you have tried bungee jumping, screaming all the way down. I have not tried bungee jumping. I think that's one adventure sport that I am so afraid of trying. What about you? Screaming all the-
Absolutely fuck no. Guys, I genuinely do not understand people who bungee jump. I don't see the excitement of having a near-death experience. Everywhere, anyway, in India, when you're traveling on a day-to-day basis, there are so many potential near-death experiences.
Sure.
खड्डे के ऊपर आपकी गाड़ी बज रही है.
आपको नहीं पता आपका कब फ्री फॉल
कब फ्री फॉल हो जाएगा, कब आपके ऊपर होर्डिंग गिर जाएगी. Have you ever wanted to bungee
No,
jump?
I'm actually, as compared to you, I would like to think that I am more adventurous.
हाँ.
But that's one thing which like I just cannot. Also, मैंने इसका research किया था जब हम लोग दुबई गए थे, I think, and
Correct.
we had to do zip line. That's like not even like if bungee jumping is 100, zip line is 0. But that time I was just researching, because I was contemplating skydiving, for
Yeah.
example. So apparently skydiving, it looks intimidating, and most of the adventure sports and the things that you do in life, the fear is the anticipation. Once you actually go ahead and do that thing, everything disappears and then you feel like मैं क्यों डर रही थी. एंड लाइफ में भी ऐसे ही होता है. तो स्काई डाइविंग में आपको आई थिंक स्टमक फॉल वो नहीं आता,
Okay.
फ्री फॉलिंग का सेंसेशन, द स्टमक ड्रॉप. But bungee jumping is one of the only sports, and maybe there might be some others.
Sport.
Free fall, whatever.
Sport.
What would you call it?
I would call it chutiapa. It's not a bungee jumping is not a sport, guys.
Where
Bungee
your
jumping.
stomach drops, like you genuinely get like that free fall. मैंने bungee jumping नहीं करी, पर मैंने वो amusement park में वो झूला तो करा है जो ऊपर जाके ऐसे वो आपको
मेरी
छोड़
भी फट
देते
जाती
हैं.
है उसमें.
तूने वो नहीं करा है?
मैंने करा हुआ है ट्राई. एक दो बारी किया, तुम्हारे साथ ही गया था और तुम्हें
ये
पता है
सब
मेरे.
कब किया
हाँ
तुमने?
याद है, हम दुबई में गए थे. वो बहुत ही सिली सा था एक्चुअली.
वो बच्चों वाला छोटा सा.
It was very scary, guys. कोई बच्चों वाला कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, fear has no age limit. There is no fear in terms of whether you're 10 or whether you're 40.
Fear has no age limit, but that equipment was for like 8 to 9-year-olds.
I am not an adrenaline thrill
Junkie,
seeker.
yeah.
मेरे को कोई शौक नहीं है. मेरे को माउंटेन ड्यू पी के कभी नहीं लगा कि डर के आगे जीता मैं पहाड़ कूद लेता हूँ. ठीक है, मेरे को कभी नहीं लगा. मुझे माउंटेन ड्यू पी के गैस हुई है. मेरे को कभी वो नहीं हुआ
मैंने I think
कि
कभी Mountain Dew नहीं पी.
Okay.
So this is a no for all of us.
Okay.
You have danced like no one was watching, but they were.
One thing I really wanted to do, which I never ended up doing, is that हमारे स्कूल में पंजाब में when I was growing up, right? तो हमारी वो भांगड़ा क्लासेस तो होती थी. तो 8th में उन्होंने मैंडेटरी कर दी थी. ठीक है, तो I had attended those भांगड़ा classes for about a couple of months. I think 1 month or 2 months or something like that. And it is one thing that I really wish I had been able to continue, क्योंकि दिल्ली में नहीं था. क्योंकि if have you seen those nowadays, तो because of social media they started doing all those भांगड़ा troops. They do it to hip hop, they do it to so many different genres. वो बहुत cool लगता है. And I feel in a way
So
it
why don't you take a Bhangra class now?
actually I should find one now
Yeah,
that I
there's
think
so
about
many.
it.
We're living in Bombay.
मुझे ये भी लगता है कि वो कार्डियो, एक तो लोग वो
Yeah.
कार्डियो के लिए करने लगे थे. Remember that
Yeah.
very famous story? I think I've told this story in stand up. वो पंजाब पुलिस में ये किया था उन्होंने. They had mandated भांगड़ा classes for पंजाब पुलिस officers because सबकी तोंद निकल आई थी. You know this story? Because they did one health check of all the cops and they were like ये क्या चल रहा है. So then they were like, how do if they are not into fitness, what is the way to do it? So then they were like, okay, आप इनको सबको भांगड़ा कराओ.
I think our entire country can be inspired from this.
Of doing भांगड़ा.
मुझे तो लगता है हर ऑफिस में रूल होना चाहिए.
Of
That-
health and fitness.
health and fitness, and it has to be mandatory. It has to be a part of your 8-hour 10-hour work day. That half an hour you make a gym. आपको वो जैसे attendance नहीं mark करनी होती. You should mark that, okay, I have gone and done my cardio, I have whatever activities that as an organization you feel you want to keep. And we have a friend, Tanoy, we have named him so many times.
Yeah.
He is an investment banker, and like they are one of the busiest people out there. But there was a change of CEO in his company, and that CEO mandated, मतलब उनके targets में ये I think add हो गया था
Yeah.
that आपको इतना, your BMI should be this much, and they all were given Apple watches, they all were given home gym equipments, they all, मतलब it was a mandate. And it's amazing because I can actually see that Tanoy, who's never really been into health and fitness, suddenly he's going to the gym, suddenly he's taking care, like he's taking health seriously.
So are you telling me that the only way to incentivize health for Indians is by connecting it to their salary?
अनफॉर्चुनेटली तूने भी अभी तक कहाँ ही स्टार्ट किया है. अभी कल को देखो एक ब्रांड ब्रीफ आ जाएगा कि आपको एक रील बनानी है जिसमें आपको अपने 30 डेज का जर्नी शो करना है कि आपने कैसे हेल्थ एम्ब्रेस किया, और आपको वो 2 लाख दे देंगे उसके लिए, आप करो या जितने भी देंगे.
That's very shameful.
It's so sad. Balki, you know, the facts are that if you take your health seriously, you will feel better, you will feel like you have more energy, you will be able to work more. So जितना पैसे ये आपको दे रहे हैं, आप उससे ज़्यादा कमा पाओगे, because genuinely, you know, you feel less fatigued.
I really think, but for someone like me, I would really want to go back to see something like Bhangra is fun.
तो
It's
करना, who's stopping? Do भंगड़ा. बीच
Okay.
में he has started pickleball, वो भी छोड़ दिया.
पिकल बॉल मैंने बताओ क्यों छोड़ दिया है. पिकल बॉल मैंने इसलिए छोड़ा है क्योंकि जिस पिकल बॉल कोर्ट पे भाई लोग में जाता था वो अपेरेंटली इलीगली बने हुए थे. हमारे देश में ये भी तो प्रॉब्लम है. एक दिन मैं रिक्शा लेके उतरा हूँ पिकल बॉल कोर्ट के आगे, पिकल बॉल कोर्ट टूटा हुआ है. मैंने कहा क्या चक्कर है. कहते सर एक्चुअली इस जगह की परमिशन एक वेडिंग बैंक्वेट हॉल के लिए मिली थी. वेडिंग बैंक्वेट हॉल की बजाय उन्होंने वहाँ पिकल बॉल कोर्ट
तो
बना
ठीक है
दिया.
ना, जब वेडिंग नहीं होती तो पिकल बॉल खेलने दो हमें, हमारे पास जगह ही नहीं है. इन बॉम्बे वी हैव नो स्पेसेस. बट तुम्हारे इलीगली से याद है, अभी आई वाज ऑन द वे, आई वाज ड्राइविंग बैक
हाँ.
and I was listening to some video on YouTube, bro, like हम लोग जुगाड़ and scams एकदम perfectly करते हैं यार, like even on छोटा micro levels. तो बड़े तो चलो छोड़ ही दो, that अभी मेरे को exactly याद नहीं है, उत्तर प्रदेश या मध्य प्रदेश, there's a hospital over there, जहाँ पे एक बंदे ने हॉस्पिटल खड़ा कर दिया. ही इज नॉट इवन अ डॉक्टर, वो 3-4 साल चला है वो हॉस्पिटल. वहाँ पे एक फेक डॉक्टर ने यूट्यूब वीडियो देख के एक सर्जरी परफॉर्म करी ऑन अ वुमन. शी ऑब्वियसली डाइड. ही वाज आल्सो ड्रंक व्हाइल ही वाज परफॉर्मिंग द सर्जरी, बाय द वे. इट रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ बीफ सीजन 2. उसमें भी तो वो फेक
Oh,
ऐसे
yeah.
सर्जरी परफॉर्म करता है. एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो, लाइक आई नीड टू लिसन टू मोर ऑफ दीस बिकॉज इट विल गिव मी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी आइडियाज. नॉट जस्ट दिस, अ 20-year-old guy boy, he failed his NEET exams 2 or 3 times. He forgot about that ambition. उसने अपने आप के लिए फेक यूनिफॉर्म बाय करी एंड ही कॉल्ड हिमसेल्फ अ ब्रिगेडियर.
Yes.
उसने वो 3 तूने पढ़ी थी?
I've seen that guy.
He hired 2 bodyguards and
I've
2
seen that
bouncers and a jeep. He went around the city for many years calling himself a brigadier, and apparently it takes about 20-25 years of you
Yes.
to be in service to reach to that post. He also used to go and give lectures and motivation speeches to UPSC aspirants. Gursimran. I want the confidence of that 21-year-old boy.
I have seen that kid. Okay, this is
Yeah, I mean, I saw it.
you know what I learned after seeing that story. I was like, we are so colonially entrenched, like in our brain something happens when we see a uniform that all our colonial baggage hits us. Because genuinely speaking, you see that photograph, okay, and you're like, if this dude came to me and said I'm a brigadier, I would look at, I'm like, brother, you don't have a neck, like, okay. Like, I don't think you've attended a gym or done any, like, he does not look like one, okay.
I laughed. I legit had to park my car on the side and I was like, what the fuck is happening?
You know, this is what sometimes I get really scared because I have seen this happen to you when you're listening to a news story and then you are fucking losing your shit laughing and then you have to park the car on the side. I'm just imagine if I was a third person driving past and I just see a car and I just see you alone just laughing, going ha 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 ha. I would be so freaked out. I'd be like, what the fuck is this woman going through?
And the funny thing is, it went from being sad to laughing because first he talked about this is Akash Banerjee's podcast. First, he talked about the woman who died because this doctor faked his degree and he performed a fake operation. So that time I was very sad.
And
I
you're
was
angry,
I got anxious, I got angry, and cut to he started talking about this NEET aspirant. I was like, what the fuck? sometimes news can be our country is so entertaining and full of stories.
Yes.
Yesterday only I was basically why I'm saying this is yesterday only I was with my friend and we are writing and working on some script. So we were writing something and I told him about, when people say truth is stranger than fiction.
Correct.
It is so true.
100%.
And it's only when you come across all of these news you feel like अगर अभी यही news एक 21-year-old का NEET aspirant अभी
Correct.
brigadier बन गया है शायद people will not believe it.
Believe it only.
But ये सब तो होता है. And I was running the other day, 2-3 days ago. I think I told you this. I didn't tell you this. I was running in the park, and there was a guy who was मेरे आगे literally this much distance, and I think he recognized me through a friend or something like that, and he turned back to say hi to me, and like he was almost like ऐसे ऐसे, and suddenly he stopped and he said hi. As soon as he said hi, I also stopped. In that very second, a tree fell behind us. If he would not have said hi to me, वो आगे होता या मैं आगे होती और हम दोनों में से एक के ऊपर तो वो पेड़ गिरता. But because he said hi to me and then we spoke for like 30 seconds maybe or whatever, वो पेड़ गिर गया and then we both just obviously
I have
ran
some
past that tree.
details to ask. The tree fell
Hmm.
and then you continued talking.
I mean, we looked back कि कोई झाड़ गिर गया है and then he messaged my friend that your friend saved my life.
You looked back, you
Looked
saw
आगे.
that you had a near death experience.
No, at that point I didn't realize because at that point I was so busy in my run. I was like listening to some music, and suddenly someone is saying, "Oh, hi, you're this person's friend, right?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And then we kept running, and I'm like, "Oh, पेड़ गिरा था." It took me like 30 seconds to even realize what exactly happened.
I'm very confused. Was this a near death what is the
It was a near-death experience, and I'm saying truth is stranger than fiction because अगर आप यही सीन को किसी मूवी में दिखा दो तो लोग मानेंगे नहीं ना कि अरे ऐसा अच्छा जैसे हाय बोला पेड़ गिर गया वो दोनों बच गए and a
मुंबई
meet
में-
cute has happened for example. is
मुंबई
what I
में
think.
आप कभी भी पेड़ गिरा सकते हो और लोग मान लेंगे. It is any time is possible. Whether a mangrove is being cut, whether something has fallen on you.
This is also, it reminds me, one is that truth is stranger than fiction.
Huh.
And remember we did this episode on those theories, the
Which theory?
burnt toast theory,
Huh.
that if there is an inconvenience
Huh.
or anything that happens, and if you're, let's say, delayed,
Huh.
there is a larger purpose maybe of the universe that's trying to save you perhaps. Because I was running, in that moment, I didn't want anything to stop my run. I didn't want to be like
Wow.
speaking with another human. But this man spoke with me. There was like a disruption in my run. But oh my God, maybe my life got saved. Because
you-
if he would not have stopped me, that tree could have fallen on me or on that other guy.
Guys, this could have potentially been the last episode of That's Just How We Talk, is what you're telling me.
You would have been sitting with an invisible me and
I would have had to call Ranveer Allahabadi on the podcast, and we would have had to call your ghost and stuff कि मैं बात करना चाह रहा हूँ उसके साथ. Some shit we would have had to do. Anyway, can we do our episode today after your near-death experience? Can we talk about
I
what we
wonder
thought?
अगर वो पेड़ मेरे ऊपर गिर जाता और मैं मर जाती तो तुझे पता कैसे चलता कि मैं नहीं हूँ, मैं मर गई.
What is this episode? I'm not being able to understand what is this episode. Okay, what? I don't know.
Are you a free spirit episode?
How are we discussing how would you be dying if... Have you thought about this again? I'm now turning
I'm
to
very
Ranveer
afraid
Allahabadi.
of death, and as I've recently started taking therapy again, and it's been about 2 months now, and it's coming to me a lot, like this thought that okay, maybe a lot of like death is a huge part. The fear of death is a huge part of like my being.
Your being.
Yeah, but are you scared of death?
I don't, if you're asking me, do I actively think about it? I don't actively think about it. Like, it is not a thing that goes through my head. So I'm saying ki the only thing I think you can hope for is a peaceful one.
Yeah,
Even though on some level, I don't even know what that really means.
it means you are sleeping and you don't wake up.
Huh.
That's peaceful, I think.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
That's
it is
peaceful.
fair enough. But do you actively think about it?
Yes, I think about it quite often. I feel like there's a constant dialogue happening with me and my brain. I'm just always negotiating and I'm trying to like calm myself down. I am always trying to pacify myself, saying that, it's something, it's unavoidable. Like the only thing that's certain is death, right? What else is certain?
But give me an
It's a
example
fact.
of like a
everything,
day.
especially with in today's environment, like every time you watch the news, you read something, you are on the gram, people are dying left, right, and center, right? Like this accident, the accident of, for example, this boy named Sarthak Mattu in Gurgaon. He was on a bike and a car came and hit him from behind, and the people just ran away. Uske baad, I don't know what happened to them and that family. My parents know that family. So it becomes all the more real and it's heartbreaking. Like I saw so many videos of the parents just they were so helpless trying to get justice. Chalo, that's a different topic. Like, and I really hope that they feel better and I hope they get better. But it also makes you realize it makes you realize how
fragile.
our lives are. Anything can happen any second. That tree could have fallen on us. We could have been in that accident. And I'm while I'm saying this, I'm again thinking about the parents, and I really hope they get the justice because they deserve justice, especially in a country like ours where life has no value. बारिश हो रही है, आप यहाँ पे आपके ऊपर बिलबोर्ड गिर सकता है, like you know, या roads are broken, आपको नहीं पता आप कहाँ पे जाके गिर जाओगे. Like our infrastructure is horrible. So anyways, forget about the fact कि आपको कोई disease हो जाएगा. आप घर के बाहर step करोगे तो आपको कुछ हो सकता है. घर के बाहर क्या, घर के अंदर भी आपको कुछ हो सकता है. My friend who stays here in Versova only. What about that?
The fire.
The fire. Yeah, I had forgotten about that. No, but this current friend who I'm talking about right now, बारिश की वजह से उसकी almost घर का ये roof collapse होने वाला था in a high-rise building. He's not able to sleep in his room right now because it has to be renovated. My friend again, like last month, there was a fire in the opposite house. Luckily, she wasn't in the house, but the man who was in that house, he passed away. So anything can happen anytime. So yeah, all of this it scares me. You also feel grateful, but at the same time, you also know that we don't know. Our time is limited, and peaceful death is like the biggest privilege, I guess. I don't think a lot of us will get that chance also to die peacefully in our sleep.
The only no, I hear you. I feel like I consciously try and pull my brain away from that because I also know that if I start going down that rabbit hole, it is going to make me spiral.
But that's true.
And-
That's what I tell myself. That it means, okay, you know what? No, you do your bit, whatever you can to help people or to whatever you can. But उसके अलावा आपको you have to. That's why people say ना कि don't watch the news because the more news आप देखोगे, the more affected you get. But then I feel अगर आप नहीं देखोगे, आप कितना ignorant हो जाओगे of what the country is going through, what the people are dealing with, then how do you? मतलब you can't be just living in your bubble.
I feel like you consciously put yourself in a bubble to be able to function at X amount of threshold. Because I genuinely think on some level, we have the privilege to be in these bubbles, and that doesn't mean you don't negotiate with what is happening in the world. You do it differently, right? Like, for example, if I want to talk about something, maybe I do it on my game show, or if I, or if I want to use my platform, I use it a certain way. But I do think that if you, on some level, don't put yourself in a bubble, you will mentally collapse. And I do feel, so I don't negotiate with that feeling of dread or death constantly. The only thing I have started noticing about myself is that when I'm sitting in a car, because I don't know how to drive, on some level, I feel very helpless as a passenger. So, for example, I'll give an example. I feel road rage is the one thing that I get a little scared of. Because I've always been a passenger, and I've noticed this in Punjab every time I go more, though it's a Delhi thing also.
It's an India thing.
It's an India thing. I'm saying in my experience, for example, our driver in Delhi, I've had this conversation with him multiple times because a couple of times I've noticed him where somebody cuts you off or someone does that, and he gets very worked up and he starts giving eyes to the other driver, and I'm like, yo, I don't want to fucking die because of your shit, dude. If somebody is giving you eyes, move on.
घर से बाहर ड्राइव करने से पहले तो आपको भगवान से एक बार प्रे करके ही निकलना चाहिए. यहाँ पे आपको पता ही नहीं यहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है. बॉम्बे ऑल्सो स्पेशली यहाँ पे इतने सारे वो चौराहेज है. चौराहा को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
क्रॉस रोड्स.
I don't know.
इंटरसेक्शन
है जहाँ पे रेड लाइट्स ही नहीं है गुरसिमरन. तो यहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ लाइक आपको जहाँ रास्ता दिखा वहाँ गाड़ी घुसाओ, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट सर्वाइव हियर. एंड ऑल्सो व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग अ टर्न यू डोंट नो आगे क्या आएगा. लड़की भी आ सकती है, लड़का भी आ सकता है, साइकिल भी आ सकती है, कभी कभी हाथी वाती भी आ जाते हैं. आधे एक बार सॉ घोड़ा ऑल्सो एंड आई गॉट सो एक्साइटेड. घोड़ा.
Yeah, and I was just like, I
हम
hope
जाने तू या जाने ना.
I trust you to have been listening to a song from Jaane Tu Ya
I
Jaane
love
Na.
जाने तू या जाने ना के गाने, by the way.
And suddenly driving, look at a horse going, oh, Jaane Tu. dude.
But that's true, यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. And यार हाँ, but आजकल off late, so usually I am also like one of those Londa drivers. हाँ, I get like if someone will cross me.
Really?
Yeah, I get ये जो चलाना नहीं आता क्या कर रहे हो भैया? I am very much like that.
This has happened to me. This has
With
happened to
you?
me.
I have
हाँ.
shouted at you.
Yes, which is
Huh?
no. I want to tell the world. Okay, we were driving. Somebody cut us off very badly. ठीक है, and it almost you had to brake really hard, and I remember you got really pissed. ठीक है, and within a second your Delhi came out going, "Benchod, दिखता नहीं है क्या? दिखता नहीं है benchod." And I remember, here is the problem, Ismeet. You are anyway quite
Tiny.
loud. No, you are loud, and the windows are shut. The guy outside
know,
can't hear you.
That's why I also say it. ना तेरे को लगता है मेरी बस की है, मेरी विंडो नीचे होएगी, ऐसे मैं कर सकती हूँ.
तुम्हारे बस की है.
But
प्रॉब्लम इज कान मेरा फटा, बस उसकी नहीं फटी भाई. I'm like,
I'll tell you, I have a lot of problems. एक तो लोगों को लगता है कि girls can't drive,
yeah.
right? And I have issues with that.
And you are a very good driver. I must say she's a
That
fantastic
doesn't
driver.
mean I will not make mistakes. I'm sure there are times when even I have made mistakes. I feel in India, it's a we all will fuck up at some point or the other. एक तो पता नहीं लोगों को इतनी जल्दी क्यों है of reaching somewhere, because कहीं नहीं पहुंचोगे आप. यहाँ नहीं तो आगे जाके आप अटक तो जाओगे ही. But every time, and I have noticed this, if I'm driving and there's a man who has made a mistake, and if I give him a look, he looks at me like I am the one who's committed a crime. And that pisses me off so much that what the fuck can you not see, motherfucker? You are the one who has driven galat, not me. Don't look at me like that. And there's a बहुत ज़्यादा वो assumption है यार कि लड़की चला रही है तो वो तो ठीक नहीं ही चला सकती, but ऐसा
Correct.
नहीं होता. I have seen some pretty shitty male drivers also.
Correct.
So that pisses me off. But off late, like what I was saying is, anytime I am in a situation like this, I tell myself to calm myself down, because now I get reminded of the metro in the local Mumbai local incident where this guy asked this other guy कि दरवाजा बंद करना है or something like that, and उसने मार दिया उसको.
Correct.
Like we are such an angry nation, and again value of life कुछ है ही नहीं. यहाँ पे कोई भी चलता फिरता इंसान आके आपको मार सकता है.
I feel it is also because people might be so stressed in their day-to-day life that this becomes that one sense of
That doesn't
release.
give you the
That
justification of killing someone.
Of course, of
for
course.
Sia Gupta also was very stressed when she pushed him off the mountain.
No, you
Talking-
can't compare road rage.
I'm not comparing, but I'm again because Sia Gupta has somehow come up in this conversation. I was
You only
speaking
brought her up.
with someone, and I was like, dating now is so scary. Like अगर मैं अभी 20-25 साल की लड़की होती, then it's like I don't know how the other person will be and what the other person is capable of. How do I trust a stranger? Like I feel like now we are at an age where our ecosystems are already set. We have a certain friend circle. We trust them. We are in a good position. But someone who's just growing up, who's trying to form new bonds, social circles, भाई आपको पता ही नहीं है क्या चल रहा है. And you're getting influenced by everything that you're seeing on social media. I don't know if it's a today's problem or if all of this existed before also. It's just that because there was no social media and इतनी ज़्यादा information ऐसे transmit नहीं हो रही थी,
Correct.
तो हमको पता नहीं लगता था. But it's just so scary. Living today is so scary.
I want to circle back to the point that you mentioned, which is that everyone seems to be in a hurry, which is,
You mentioned.
yeah, no, you had mentioned it. And I agree with that, which is why I want to tell you that while the government has done a very good job of trying to tell people, I am sick of hearing that jingle every time you call someone. Have you heard the jingle?
Yeah.
Jaldi
Jaldi
mat
mat
bachao,
bachao,
aaram
aaram
se.
se
I'm like, shut up! Shut up! Can you imagine if you're in a fucking emergency situation?
That's Amitabh Bachchan's
Yeah,
voice.
man. Is there one thing that the government can do without involving Amitabh Bachchan? Like, I'm just like, Amitabh Bachchan क्या-क्या चीजों से बचाएगा इंडिया को? पोलियो अमिताभ बच्चन बचा रहे हैं. अब रोड रेज से भी अमिताभ बच्चन बचा रहा है. वो हर चीज में.
But the man, जब वो बोलता है लोग सुनते हैं.
भाई कोई जरूरी नहीं है. मैं कट करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Like अमित जी must be so fucking. अमित जी must be the first person going, भाई मेरा ये AI chatbot बना दो. तुम्हें जहां आवाज डालनी है डाल दो. Like if I was getting a call every day from the government. अब क्या बचाना है? क्या
ऐसे नहीं
चाहिए?
बोलता. हाय.
कहाँ से बचाना है? कौन सा इशू बचाना है आपको? हैं? Like it's just more like if you're fucking in an emergency situation, you have to imagine you are calling an ambulance because somebody at your house fucking getting a heart attack.
And suddenly,
जल्दी मच आओ आराम. Like just Stop it. At least change the.
That's bad luck.
At least change the actor doing it. I think what happens when Amit Ji is not there? Who's the person who has the
who
credibility?
who's next in line?
Who's-
Nobody. Nobody's voice is as strong as his. Can you think of anyone with a distinguished?
I'm just getting really.
My voice, my nasal voice. I did not know I had a nasal voice till I started watching these podcasts.
You did not know. You
No,
could have
I was
asked
like,
me.
"Chhi, yaar, meri awaaz, like,
Could have asked me, man.
you never brought it up. You never told me I have nasal voice.
I've told you many times about your voice, loudness, nasal.
Loud nasal कभी नहीं बोला था.
Nasal कभी नहीं बोला मैंने.
Yeah, I feel like मैं कहीं उसकी बहन तो नहीं हूँ.
किसकी? हिमेश की.
हिमेश की.
हिमेश की नहीं हो तुम. ट्राई करो एक गाना गाना.
कोई गाना बोल.
तेरा सुरूर गाने का था. ए हुजूर तेरा 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 सुरूर. चलो.
ट्यून
ओके. ता ता ना 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 ता.
मेरे हजूर.
नहीं. ता ता ना 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 तंदूरी नाइट.
night, tandoori night.
Now you're
tandoori
trying to
night.
be more nasal on purpose. Bullshit. Bullshit. I call bullshit. You're not that nasal. So sorry. We are supposed.
Next,
This episode
you
was
afraid-
supposed to be. We wanted to do this episode about our Thailand vacation.
but we will do that.
Which I don't know when, but this has turned into one fucking Are You
free
a Free
spirit?
Spirit quiz, which
but
you
it's
have
not
discovered.
just a free spirit quiz. It's also, we are just free flowing. The
Okay.
conversation is free flowing.
Okay.
Free spirits freely flowing.
Genuinely, I want to tell you, this episode was supposed to be about Thailand travel, but Madam has discovered this one notepad which we always do in our episodes. Notepad के पीछे Are You a Free Spirit quiz बनी हुई है, and now apparently this is what this episode is about.
Can we zoom in?
Yeah, I'm sure we can. I'm sure we can take a photograph. Okay, what is next on this Are You a Free Spirit quiz? Are you two? What is the score?
I am 1, you are 0.
Okay, next question on Are You a Free Spirit quiz?
You are writing the scores, no?
Yes, 1-0 is not something I need to write. I can just.
You have traded something valuable for a fun experience. You have your laptop as a child for friendship.
हाँ ये हो चुका है. Does that make me a free spirit?
No, you were scared, na? You wanted. You were
Yeah,
so-
but I wanted to.
for a fun experience. Did you?
Have I traded something valuable for a fun experience?
The wife swapping जो करते हैं, is that this? Because I would imagine their wives or husbands are valuable.
Okay, in fairness, everyone who is doing these mass orgies is pretty free spirited.
They are, no. We recently watched this movie, The Invite.
Yeah, very good.
Spoiler. So the movie is all about this only, where
Yeah.
there is this couple and they're actually very free spirited.
Yeah.
When you actually meet them in the movie also, they are very like chill and like nomads, living their lives, and they are very sex positive and they live their lives like they are a couple and they host these sex parties and
Yeah,
तो वो यही तो करते हैं.
correct.
You've mistakenly worn mismatched socks and called it fashion.
So I have not mistakenly done it. I have consciously done it because, frankly speaking, I can't find two of the same socks anywhere in my fucking drawer. It is a problem. It is one of my worst expenses, which is I don't know where these socks go, dude. Genuinely, I don't know. एक में hole हो जाता है. तो you know the most embarrassing with socks. This is like every time this has happened to me when we've had to go to a gurdwara or we've had to go to some event which is like किसी
Where is your feet will be visible.
Yes, and you don't realize. So then you're suddenly like, oh shit, जूते निकाले और suddenly your fucking thumb is sticking out. It's very gross. It is very gross.
तेरे फट जाती है socks.
कि सब हाँ पता नहीं क्यों.
मेरी फटती थी पहले because I used to have corns on my like on the sole of my feet.
She's talking about socks. Your sentence was मेरी फटती थी पहले because I had corn
नहीं
on
वैसे
my
तो मेरी
feet.
वैसे भी फटती है. I'm a fearful person.
Fearful person, fear of death.
Not as free spirited.
वो मेरे को लगता है hole in the sock is very similar to all our parents have a banyan where the nipple is visible. Like it's very one of the it's just
I liked how you have like shifted this to your parents and you've not like.
I
said
don't
it's
wear
you.
banyans.
I've
What the
never
fuck?
seen you in a banyan. Yeah.
Yeah,
Why don't you
I'm
wear
not a banyan person. I'm not a West person. आगे बढ़ते हैं. I'm 2-1 now. I'm
You are
leading.
embarrassed. You're not embarrassed. Not embarrassed.
I'm
no?
embarrassed of.
Then you don't get.
You don't get.
No.
Okay.
You attempted to cook but ended up burning the vessel. Of course. It has happened so many times with me, especially when I make like biryani.
तुमने कभी बर्तन तोड़े हैं? Actually हर तीसरे दिन तो तुम एक कांच की बोतल तोड़ते हो घर पे.
क्यों?
हमारे घर में भाई ये बहुत बड़ी डिबेट हुई थी। पहले तो हमारे पास होते थे सारे प्लास्टिक की बोतलें, उसके बाद द कॉन्वर्सेशन बिकेम वी मस्ट बी प्लास्टिक बीपीए फ्री, एज इफ देयर आर नो अदर सोर्सेज ऑफ प्लास्टिक इन थ्रू व्हिच प्लास्टिक इज गोइंग इन आवर बॉडी. सो देन वी वर लाइक नो गाइस, वी मस्ट बी वेरी environmentally conscious, must be plastic free.
More than
We-
environment, I think
yeah.
it was our health.
Health, we must be getting glass bottles. Now the problem is a glass bottle breaks every fucking second day in our house, right? Which is why I feel like
You
we
are
should move back to
exaggerating.
plastic.
I think we break one bottle a month. I don't think it's every second day. That's wrong. That's when you know when you're aging. When your heartbreak is when your bartans break and not a breakup with your boyfriend or a friend.
Yeah, that is true. I remember one story of, I think I told this story, maybe we'll have to mute it. You know what he did? He was living in a rented apartment, okay? And the landlord refused to give them back their security deposit. Okay, so what they did before leaving the apartment is, I think उन्होंने माइक्रोवेव के अंदर कोई बर्तन रख दिया था, और फ्रिज का जो पीछे वाला इलेक्ट्रिक एरिया होता है उसके अंदर कोई स्टील का स्केल डाल दिया था और समथिंग, बिकॉज ऑफ विच both the appliances got fucked as just a fuck you to the landlord.
Didn't burst, no?
No, कोई मरा नहीं, पर appliance
I
दोनों
think
fuck हो
I
गए.
think it's valid. मुझे लगता है we are very lucky. Our landlord is very chill.
Yes, we will not do that if at all we ever leave the apartment. We have a lovely relationship. We will not do that.
No, our landlord is very chill.
He's very
but
nice.
I have heard of cases where landlords are very, very difficult. My very close friend had a terrible experience with the landlord, where the landlord was refusing to give back their deposit. And it's not like some 10,000, 20,000 rupees, even though that's also a lot of money.
Yeah.
It's in lakhs. तो I remember उनको बहुत trouble हुआ था, and उन्होंने भी कुछ लॉक वॉक कर दिया था. And यार मतलब they really harassed you sometimes. Like I feel, as someone, if you are people who want to rent out apartments in the country, बहुत problem होती है.
I have had a very terrible experience with a landlord who still owes me money from security deposit.
Yeah.
This landlord is from 8-9 years ago, okay? He runs a very famous restaurant in Bandra. He refused to give me back, I think, 25,000 rupees of my
Why?
security deposit. Just.
Just?
I would ask and he
Bro?
would deflect and he would ignore, and by the time I'd
50
start...
पैसा है, ये छोड़ो ना, change नहीं है, मैं नहीं दे सकता.
So some 20-25 grand. The number of times I have thought of क्या मैं Zomato से इसके order लेके cancel कर दूं या कुछ, क्योंकि मैं उस zone में आ गया था कि
Then
मैं इसका
at least
नुकसान
leave a
कैसे
bad
करूं.
review.
Leave
I
a
would
bad
have
review.
done that.
How can you leave a
Cheap
bad
thrills.
review on a restaurant going, this person actually, fish is very good, but human behind the fish is very bad. Like, what am I supposed to do? That's
Exactly this.
this review. Actually, let's think of funny reviews we can leave.
On Google, on Zomato, everywhere else.
No. I really thought about it, but then I was like, okay, be a bigger person, let it go. Karma will strike.
What
It's okay.
bad review would you leave?
On this one. Landlord's personality stinks more than the fish. That's pretty shitty. Help me come up with the...
You are the comedian.
Yeah, but I'm not
I
good
will
at
laugh.
improv. I'm not good at them. I'm not good at improv.
Heart is mini. Restaurant is not.
Arey, it's not Mini Punjab. It's not Mini Punjab. Guys, Mini Punjab I love. Mini Punjab is amazing. Mini Punjab
Bad
is
name,
amazing.
wrong name. He's the real mini Punjab.
Big-hearted Punjab. But
No,
it's
no,
not
he's
Mini Punjab.
big. I know, but that's what I'm saying. Na? The restaurant
Yes.
is named wrong. He's the real mini
Yes.
Punjab is him.
Yeah.
Because his heart is so mini.
Yeah.
He is so chindi.
Correct.
He is not deserving to be a Punjabi. Give back my money.
Wow, man. Okay, am I a free spirit or not?
This one was burning to know.
No?
आपने तो burn नहीं किए, मैंने करे हैं वैसे.
हाँ,
So I
true.
get 1 for this. You get
Okay.
0.
So your free spirit में बर्तन खराब करना is giving you free spirit points.
Yes.
Okay,
You've
apparently.
taken a road trip with friends with snacks packed. I have.
I'm sure I would have.
When? You
See-
don't look like a road trippy person.
What does that even mean?
It means that I've woken up and I'm like, Gursimran, come, let's go on a long drive and have pakoras and chai in a faraway hotel. Have a picnic. Let's take a picnic basket and then we'll just make a day of
Where
it.
you want to do picnic in Mumbai?
कहीं ना कहीं तो मुंबई के बाहर जाएंगे ना ड्राइव करके.
Where you want to do? I don't trust. See, I'm not saying I'm opposed to road trips, but I feel like road trips need to have some sort of destination or some payoff in the end.
Why?
I am not. It's not about the journey. It's about.
It's
I'm,
always about the journey.
It's about the destination also. It's also about the little bit about the destination. So road trip for a lot of people in Delhi is go to Murthal and have paratha.
Yeah, sure.
but you can get better parathas in Delhi. I'm not
At one point, I really enjoyed Murthal ke paranthe. अब I think वो बहुत commercial हो गया है. Now there are like 100 Murthal paranthe places.
there are a lot of Murthal
है ना?
parathas.
पहले वो सिर्फ एक famous होता था वो एक जगह.
Correct. And actually we should
Go back
nahi, we should see
and
all
make
the
a vlog of it.
I feel every food blogger goes and does the paratha vlog anyway, I would imagine.
Maybe, but they're not very honest. I have, and again, I really feel like this कि एक जगह कोई वायरल हो जाती है, पूरी दुनिया वहाँ चली जाती है वो चीज़ ट्राई करने एंड टेस्ट जाए भाड़ में. जस्ट बिकॉज अ प्लेस इज वायरल वो हमारा ब्रेन उसको सोच लेता है कि ओ ये टेस्टी होगा एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग आई नो इज आई एम मेकिंग अ रील सेइंग ओ माय गॉड वाओ इट्स लवली बट इट्स नॉट दैट लवली.
Give me an example of a place like that.
Din Tai Fung. I made a reel also. I was like, but I got comments saying that आपने main चीज़ उनकी order नहीं करी, which is chocolate dim sums, blah 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 blah. I do feel like chocolate dim sums होंगे जो भी आपका dish है वो होगा आपका stellar dish on your menu. But अगर आप एक basic dim sum write नहीं कर सकते तो आप बाकी चीज़ें क्या ही write करोगे? And they have a fucking elaborate menu, Gursimran. Don't you think so?
I think so. मेरे को I am trying to still think of from a road trip point of view. I think रोड ट्रिप हमारे देश में दो फिल्मों ने फेमस किया है.
दिल चाहता है.
दिल चाहता है ने पहले फेमस
जिंदगी
किया
ना मिलेगी
कि
दोबारा.
हाँ जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दूसरा किया. आई रिमेम्बर जब ये हुआ था जब जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा आई थी तुम्हारे ये अंदर ये कीड़ा निकला था कि हम भी जाएंगे स्पेन में और बुल रन करेंगे टोमेटिना फेस्टिवल में कि टमाटर फेंकेंगे एक दूसरे के
मैं
ऊपर.
बहुत छोटी थी यार तब.
आई रिमेम्बर जब ये हुआ था ना फेमस इट बिकेम अ ह्यूज थिंग. एवरीवन वाज
टमाटर
लाइक
फेंकेंगे.
टमाटर फेंकेंगे टोमेटिना और उसके बाद बुल रन करेंगे. बुल रन वो एंड में वो भाग रहे होते हैं ना बुल रन करते हुए. तो मुझे आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर थिंकिंग कि द बुल्स आल्सो मस्ट बी थिंकिंग ना यार इंडियन बड़े आ रहे हैं बड़े ये 2-3 साल में ऐसा क्या हो गया. इट वाज अ होल स्पेन टूरिज्म कमर्शियल एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा उन्होंने बनाया था. तो आई डू फील some of it is everyone is trying to mimic that feeling of what they see in the cinema.
Yeah.
कि हम भी अपने दोस्तों के साथ जाएंगे हम भी वो करेंगे हमारे के अंदर भी वो आएगा. somehow I don't know just the concept of a road trip never appealed to me. I was just like just take a trip. It's fine. I don't need to
No,
be
I
9
think it's
hours on
about
the road.
creating memories, right? Because when you're with your friends, you're going to a place. It's like I feel the journey is always more fun than the destination. I to think that, and I think like for example, even when we are planning a trip, it's so much fun. Just the act of planning is so much fun. It's not just arriving there. It's also the 1 month that goes behind the planning. So even when you're like, let's say driving to like a picnic spot, when the 4-5 of you are inside a car, you are listening to music, you are gossiping, you're eating, I think it's a way of bonding, right? Like कभी भी आप एक group को एक कहीं पे आप ब्लॉक कर दो.
Sure. Would you, if I were to ask you कि just go on a road trip without a plan to somewhere, you would be up for it, right?
Yeah, it would be fun because you don't know what you will discover also. Like, don't you think it's an exciting idea where let's say we go to a different country, we rent a car and we just drive?
I would be too fucking paranoid. I think I would just be like, I need to know where we are stopping for coffee. I need to have an
उतना
access.
ठीक है. Let's say we have a map
हाँ.
and we are like, okay, यहाँ चलते हैं. बट ड्राइव करके देखते हैं रास्ते में और हमें क्या क्या दिखे क्या क्या नहीं दिखे. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग आई थिंक बिकॉज अदरवाइज वी आर स्पेशली आजकल के ज़माने में जब हम सब कुछ रील्स देख के इंटरनेट पे देख के जाते हैं हाउ डू वी लाइक ओपन आवरसेल्व्स टू लाइक न्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड चांसेस ऑफ मे बी सीइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट समथिंग न्यू समथिंग मोर ऑथेंटिक.
I actually don't see. I get where you're coming from. कि of course you can potentially see more places if you're not stuck with कि reels में आपने क्या देखा है already. वो तो एक reels का एक बहुत interesting मैं वो point of view भी देख रहा था कि apparently I think सपन बता रहा था. I'd done his podcast and he was like every time now when I go to a place I feel like I've already seen the place because I've seen it 30 times on a reel. So when I go there and that sense of discovery is not there anymore, which I agree and I get that there is value to going into a nook and corner and find something new, etc., etc. I just don't know if I think that is also a privilege. I feel like if I'm going on a chutti and I feel like I take 5 days off and I feel like if I've taken those 5 days off, I am such a control freak. I would want to have those 5 days to be good versus opening myself up to देखते हैं क्या होता है.
But
Like
that means your inherent assumption is if I will not plan, it won't be a nice experience
Yes,
for me. And
yes.
you want to make the most of those 5 days. And to you, those 5 days, you'll only make the most of those 5 days if you have everything planned.
yes, this is my sense and this is also coming from privilege. In fact, we
Privilege?
were हाँ क्योंकि everyone can't afford to have that kind of experience, right? Like अगर हाँ तुम एक ही छुट्टी लेते हो, you want to at least control as much as possible to make it good. For example, it's not exactly a road trip situation, but just the ethos of what you said, कि you just go somewhere and you figure it out and you just see. This is the first time we have just gone on chutti abhi last month, a
Thailand.
couple of weeks ago.
Hmm.
This is the first time in my 40 years, and this is maybe very a sad reflection. It's the first time I accompanied you last minute. I made a plan ki Smith was going to Phuket. I was like, I'll also come with you to Phuket. I had no agenda, and it's the first time I was like, I'll figure it out. I'll go. We'll figure it out, and I'll see as a agenda. मेरे को कोई pressure नहीं है. It was really good, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that again. Like I feel like अच्छा experience हो गया, but I'm still so much of a control freak in terms of
Yeah.
I want to plan this, I want to go here, I want to see this place. So ये जो free spirit के lens से तुम बोल रहे हो, it's the first time I showed signs of free spiritedness.
But this is me 1 and you 0.
हाँ, this is you one. You are more like this.
You've tried a new hairstyle for fun. Of course, I change my hair every few months, and I've, I think, discussed this on the pod also. My thing with my hair.
Guys, for how to say, for 26 years, I had one hairstyle. Then I changed my hairstyle after I got my
Give context
I got my hair cut
for the first time.
for the first time. एक तो I don't know why you have a problem with me getting my Urban Company haircut.
I don't have a problem with you, but sometimes you look like a pineapple after you get your hair cut. उसमें problem क्या है मुझे? कराओ?
No, every time I get a Urban Company haircut, you have a problem ki why don't you go to a barber, like a nice place?
Just for the experience.
I have gone.
And I am also curious to see what your hair will look like if you, like, let's say, go to a proper hair cutting place.
What do you mean proper hair cutting place?
पता नहीं, I
The-
think मेरा हैंग अप भी हो सकता है. वो घर आके तेरे बाल कभी मेरे को इतने अमेजिंग तो लगे नहीं है ना हेयर कट के बाद. जब मैं देखूं और मैं बोलूं ओ वाओ क्या हेयर कट करा लिया है तूने आज.
मेरी ना गंज निकल रही है, ठीक है. मेरे जितने बाल हैं तुम खुश रहो कि जितना मैं प्रोटीन खा रहा हूँ उतने बाल भी आ रहे हैं, ठीक है. उसको अपने तुम्हें वाव भी दिखाना है.
Why not? एक ही तो लाइफ है, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी
There
दोबारा.
is no better thing than the convenience of you being able to sit, get off your ass, and the person being right there at home saying, "Sir, 15
Sure.
मिनट में मैं खत्म कर
But
देता हूँ."
we can be like my brother-in-law is very experimentative with his hair.
Okay.
Remember what? Okay.
Okay.
You don't you know this?
Yes, I know this.
You
I
are
know.
reacting like
I
it's a
know
new
this.
information.
I know this. I know this.
Okay.
Yes.
So I remember these guys went to Korea
Huh.
and he got like a very cool Korean haircut done. So it looks like exciting and there's something new to his face. You've always looked like this. Versus me, do you remember there was this time when I got like my hair cut short यहाँ तक and I even got bangs in my curly hair.
Yeah.
I looked like Mario or a mushroom. It was like the worst haircut ever. I don't know what had gotten into me.
उसको बोलते हैं mid life crisis.
जो भी था.
Quarter life crisis.
Never told me that Ismeet you look so shitty in this.
But you looked very cute in
I
that.
did not look cute
You
in it.
looked cute in
We will put a photo of that
You looked very cute in
hairstyle.
it. You looked like some French woman with the small curls, with just sitting with a
ऐसे
wine glass.
ऐसे lioness के जैसे वो बाल आ रहे थे.
अच्छे लग रहे थे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. देखो, हर बाल is not meant to be styled. My hair is my hair. This is the best you can do with it.
You think that?
You know, बड़ी बेइज्जती होती है. Last time ना बाल कटवाए तो मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, ठीक है, बाल कटाने के बाद. तो अब मैं देख रहा हूँ मिरर में कि बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं, ठीक है. एंड द गाय लाइक, ओ आपको डिशेवल्ड लुक पसंद है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, यार ठीक है यार, ये मेरे तो ये अच्छे हैं. But whatever. My bigger point is कि
Why don't you guys, if you guys have any suggestions on like what can look good on Gursimran, and this is a problem, especially if you're like a stylist, you don't have much to play with. What can Gursimran
what the
try?
fuck, dude?
इतने-
You don't have much to play with.
क्या लड़कों के बाल क्या ही आप ज्यादा नहीं कर सकते.
Last time my Urban Company stylist in Bangalore said, "Sir, आप mullet करवा लो."
What is a
A mullet is like fucking having a dead raccoon on your head,
Yeah.
and वो पीछे से निकल रही होती है. I said, sir,
Can't
please,
imagine you with
sir,
that.
please, thank you. I do not want. See, this is what makes me afraid of stylists. Experiment वो कर रहे हैं, गांड तुम्हारी लगती है.
बहुत cautious है actually. It's a very fun thing that we're doing this quiz. Like I'm realizing how cautious as a person you
You did
actually
not know
are.
how cautious I am as a
But
person.
so cautious.
What do you want me to do?
Nothing,
So you want me to get ghajni cut with this one fucking.
Try once ना. क्या होएगा उग जाएंगे बाल ही तो है.
वही तो नहीं उग रहे.
It's not like गर्दन काट ली तो फिर नहीं आएगी दोबारा.
That's the dumbest comparison I've ever heard.
You give me a good comparison.
Listen, I can do.
Give me a comparison first ना.
कि क्या काट रहे हो वापस नहीं उगेगा. It is not circumcision.
तो मैंने भी बोल दिया गर्दन, सेम ही बात हो गई ना.
पीनिस का गर्दन एंड असली गर्दन में फर्क होता है.
But you have used the same fucking analogy as me.
कटिंग में और क्या, केक तो है नहीं कि फिर से वापस बन. फक ऑफ यार. पॉइंट इज नॉट दैट. पॉइंट इज दैट माय हेयर.
बुलाओ इसको, नेशन wants to guess मैं एज अ कंटेस्टेंट, और फिर उसको इस पे से एक्सपेक्ट करो कि ये इम्प्रोव करके +20 कमाएगा.
So
you've
one by,
been
can we
very
get
safe.
1 point each on this?
You can get half. I'll get 1.
So then you are on 3, I am on 2.5.
तुम्हारे ये 2 मार्क्स कहाँ से तुमने अपने आप को दिए? गुरसिमरन, you can't keep score also correctly. मेरे को दे.
तो तुम्हारे कितने हैं?
1 2 3 4.
4? अभी
Yeah.
तो 2 थे स्मिथ के.
नहीं, वो मेरे ही पॉइंट्स थे, तूने अपने आप को दे दिए वो पॉइंट्स.
कितना है फिर?
गुरसिमरन
4-0.
हाँ 3-0 कर ले यार, तो खुश रहे. नहीं, but 4 because overall your score will depend on that.
Okay, next question.
You have sung loudly in the car, windows down, no shame. Is there any fucking marks for this? गाड़ी क्या, मैं तो यहाँ भी चिल्ला चिल्ला के गा देती हूँ. You have never. I am 1 year. I think we don't need to discuss this. Do we need
No,
to?
we don't need to
Do you want me to
discuss
sing the song in this?
No, please. Please. Please.
You've made spontaneous plans and embraced the chaos. I have, for sure.
Yeah.
But
What
I'm
is
thinking,
what do you
which
think
was
is
my
the most spontaneous plan that you've made? My only I know very recently a lot of spontaneous plans
Me?
of yours. Yeah.
Which one?
For example, you've slept off at midnight and then you've woken up at 2 in the morning and been like, biryani khate hain.
तो
That's your spontaneous plan.
No, the way I booked my trek for my birthday
yeah.
was spontaneous. I was done with life. I was done with people. This is 2 years ago.
Yeah.
I was sitting at an airport, waiting
Yeah.
for my flight back from Delhi to Bombay. It was August, and I was like, I can't do this. I want to get away. And it was so impulsive. I just booked a trek.
Yeah.
And I called Gursimran, I have booked a trek for my birthday. I am going. But then after that, of course, I planned it.
Yeah.
But I had never been on a trek before.
Correct.
It was my first time. I met so many amazing people over there. I also won the Spirit of Trekking Award over
yeah,
there.
correct.
It was my first trek, and I won an award for that trek. And the Spirit of Trekking Award is also given to people who embrace the trek. It's not about competition, because group treks are never about competition. It's about a team effort and how you are as a team player. So I think that badge was given to 3 people, and I was one of them.
क्या वैलिडेशन के भूखे तुम ट्रैक के ऊपर भी. ट्रैक इज सपोज्ड टू बी.
मुझे नहीं पता था मुझे अवार्ड मिलेगा.
Isn't the trek supposed to be where I will disconnect from worldly things?
No, sure,
I don't
but
need validation.
Even after the trek that it was given to us, I had no idea they would do this.
I remember talking to you for like 5-10 minutes where you were almost on the verge of, I don't know how my feet are going to
Oh
handle
my
it.
God, I had a tough time. Especially the descent. A
Yeah.
lot of people think that maybe we should discuss this on a travel
नहीं
episode.
कर ले.
A lot of people think that descent will be easier. ऊपर चढ़ना is difficult, but oh fuck off, no man. Also because it was my first trek, I did not realize. But when you're going on a trek, you should make sure that your trek shoes are a size larger. Mine were not. Mine were fitting. तो वो नीचे आते के वक्त ना my toes were hitting that hard shoe. After a point, it felt like I was walking on glass. I was crying. After a point, immediately like 100 meters, the descent started, and I was like, मैं तो जा ही नहीं सकती. I can't go down, and we are so many thousand meters ऊपर. And it was so sweet because my whole idea of going on that trek was because I wanted to just go away from humans and people and just be on my own. And I came back learning, and that's what I've written on my postcard also, that just embrace the fact that you need humans. You cannot do without humans, because there was an 11-year-old bacha. He lent me his shoes. My shoe size is 5 and his shoe size was 6
Yeah,
or
I remember.
something. And because he's a bacha, like kids obviously have more energy
Yeah.
and they can do these treks better in general. And so happily and willingly, well, of course, we all assembled, and the trek leader asked, and he just raised his hand, and I was like, no, I can't do this. I think his name was Vatsal. I was like, no, I can't. I cannot make some bacha, wear my shoes, and like,
Yeah.
bichara, I don't want him to have like a bad experience.
Yeah.
But they were insistent, and I was crying. I was feeling so shitty that I can't believe I'm doing this. But thanks to that bacha's jute, I was able to like complete my trek, and he was happy. He, even in my shoes, he was dancing around and jumping, and he did not complain even once. Not even once. For me, that was like the lesson that I had to learn, I feel, from that trek, that you went on that trek thinking that you don't need people, you are enough, you can do everything alone. And it was like the universe taught you a lesson, Ismeet. अच्छा कर, नीचे तू जाके दिखा अकेले. There, it would not have been possible for me had that bacha not been there.
So the free spirit point goes to Vatsal.
Vatsal also, of
Vatsal
course, yes.
gets 1 point.
Of course, yes. And also, something so magical about that trek. I just randomly booked that. My dates were not planned. My birthday is on the 29th, and I just booked that trek to start from 26th or 25th.
Correct.
We summited on my birthday. Like summited, we reached the peak on my birthday, and that was so special. And it was by chance. कोई प्लान नहीं था कि 29th पे हम पीक पे पहुंचेंगे, but it was just happened.
वो होती है serendipity कभी-कभी.
Yeah, it was just serendipity. And now we're on mountains, and those people were so sweet. They baked a cake for me also.
I remember
Cooker
this.
cake था वो, because इतना fire वहाँ
Of
पे
course.
oven कहाँ से आएगा. But oh god, the cake tasted divine. It was a chotu cake which all of us shared amongst ourselves, and it was so sweet. I loved it. So I think sometimes it's amazing to make spontaneous plans and embrace the chaos, because I think those will be some of the most memorable moments that you will ever have in your life.
Correct. I think I've only made one spontaneous plan, which was my first solo trip, which was...
That was spontaneous.
That was
Where
spontaneous.
where
I went to
it?
Bhutan.
Oh, I
Yeah.
don't know about this.
So my first solo trip I did, which was again... When was it, yaar? In college? No. Post-grad? I don't remember. I'll have to check the photographs. But it was pre-social media. And that was like one of my first... And I was in that same situation. Ki yaar, I just want to get out. Ho gaya. I was too
How
tired.
old?
I was an adult only. I was like mid-20s or
Of
something.
course, Gursim. No, 13-year-old will not think of going to Bhutan.
Correct.
Maybe Disney World.
Correct. No, I was uncle ever since I was a child.
What,
So
Bhutan?
no, but the thing is also, it's a place I always wanted to go
Since you were 13?
since forever. Since I heard about it, I was like, how can you be? Because all the happiness index, वगैरह, but for me it was very this thing of, when they say na ki it's a cut-off place, it is not the same in terms. I'm most fascinated. Ki yaar, okay, how are you surviving in a different, with a different set of social needs?
Like North Korea also.
But North Korea is the most extreme example. But actually, I really want to go to North Korea also. I have Googled.
Tours है ना वहाँ पे?
I don't know if Indians are allowed right now or not. Last time I saw, you could book a tour through China. You had to go to China first, and there's one Chinese agency, travel agency, which does it. But I'm sure, actually, I've not checked. I'm sure कोई 100 travel vloggers तो गए होंगे. But my favorite नॉर्थ कोरिया फैक्ट इज कि नॉर्थ प्योंगयांग में ना फिल्म फेस्टिवल भी होता है एक, तो वहाँ
Of course.
हाँ, तो फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जब लास्ट टाइम एक मैंने आर्टिकल पढ़ा था ओपन मैगजीन में, इंडिया ने सबमिट करी थी सनी देओल की पिक्चर सिंह साब द ग्रेट. देखिए तुमने सिंह साब द ग्रेट? तो सिंह साब द ग्रेट इज जस्ट सनी पाजी बीइंग सनी पाजी. तो आई जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट विजुअल इन माय हेड ऑफ जस्ट लाइक हंड्रेड्स ऑफ नॉर्थ कोरियंस हु फकिंग नो एक्सपोजर टू द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, 2.5 किलो का हाथ है. Just
वो मूवी क्यों हुई थी प्ले वहाँ पे?
पता नहीं, वहां पे उस टाइम पे फिल्म फेस्टिवल लेके गए होंगे. सो इंडियन मूवीज गो देयर. So North Korea, I really want to go. It's on my bucket list. I just want to see, like, wouldn't you, if you were given
Yeah, for sure.
the opportunity to see how this
Yeah.
controlled panopticon.
However, I do feel like even if we go there, we will never see the reality.
Of course
it
you will
be
not.
so controlled.
Of course you will not see the reality. You want to see the manufactured reality.
Sure.
You will go in knowing कि मैं देखना चाह रहा हूँ कि ट्रूमन शो इन्होंने कैसा बनाया.
Sure.
So that will be fucking fascinating, no?
For sure.
So that I am 100% like down for. Guys, if make my trip if there's a North Korea collab.
Yeah. Please, I will also go and we will vlog it.
They won't allow you to vlog it.
We will take permission from North Korea. Will only call us if we can show them show their reality the way they want us to show their reality, and that's the only way they will also call us. Now, why will they want us there otherwise?
Yeah, exactly.
They want you to come and show the world how progressive
Siv.
North Korea is and the supreme leader is and
Yeah.
you know all the great things that they're doing that we are not.
Correct.
But so फिर impulsively you booked a trip to
Wait,
Bhutan?
book to Bhutan.
Were you a comedian or like give me
Yeah, yeah,
something na, what-
I was a comedian. I
You
was not
were-
that well known, but we were starting to get known. It wasn't very. So I thought, okay, मैं solo trip करता हूँ. Then I realized, shit, solo trip के तो पैसे नहीं है. So I joined one of these Make My Trip groups.
वो एक तरीके से सोलो ही हो गया
सोलो
ना?
ही हो गया
You did not know
है,
anyone.
बट उसमें ये है कि आपका एक वो हो जाता है, क्या कहते
Itinerary
हैं,
block होता है।
आइटनरी ब्लॉक हो जाती है. तो
हाँ।
इन अ वे इट डजंट अलाउ यू टू गो ऑन एक्सप्लोर ऑन योर ओन. दो द गुड थिंग वाज दैट इट हैड इनफ, इन द इवनिंग यू कुड गो आउट.
So you went with a group.
I went to the group.
Did you make friends?
No, I did not get along with. I was like, what is this? It was this one very. It was this. Look, there was some couple who I was not interested in. Why are you not looking at me when I'm talking to you?
Why is it so hard for you to make friends?
I make friends. Then there was the family, and I was like, and their family was very annoying. I'll tell you the moment where I was like, what the fuck? वहाँ पे ना वो ladies.
Thimpu is such a cute name. I want to be called Thimpu. Little Thimpu. From now. It's so cute. No? Thimpu is a very cute name.
Can I tell the story?
Yes.
Little Thimpu.
Oh, okay, you may.
The airport is called Paro. वहाँ पे बंगाली लोग
पारो।
देवदास की तरह शराब पी के नहीं पड़े हुए, ठीक है? थिम्पू में ladies were showing their handicrafts, ठीक है, one of the museums. तो वहाँ पे ना अंकल, तब सोशल मीडिया वाले फोन तो होते नहीं थे, तो अंकल के हाथ में वो ऐसे हैंडी कैम नहीं होते थे तब, वो तो हैंडी कैम लेके अंकल फुटेज बना रहे. तो आंटी बैठी हुई, अंकल ने ऐसे मुंह पे रखा हैंडी कैम आंटी के, ऐसे देखते थे. अरे ये सब तो दिल्ली हाट में भी मिल जाता है. एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक सेकंड हैंड एम्बैरेसमेंट. एंड एट दैट मोमेंट द गाइड इज लुकिंग एट मी, आई एम लुकिंग एट
But I
द
did the same
भूटानीज
thing.
गाइड.
I did the same thing with Din Tai Fung. ये सब तो आपको बॉम्बे में भी मिल जाता है.
भाई तुमने मुंह पे तो नहीं बोला ना शेफ के जाके,
तो समझ
तुम
आया
वहां पे
होगा
दिन ताय
हिंदी.
फंग के शेफ के मुंह पे जाके बोलो भाई ये तो
नहीं,
चाकी
पर उसको
मोमो बेटर है.
हिंदी समझ आएगा.
नहीं, हाँ यार, इतनी तो उनको कॉमन वो है ना, हमारे तो इतने वो टूरिस्ट जाते हैं. बट इट वाज अ लवली एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई वुड एक्चुअली रियली वांट टू गो बैक.
What did that experience teach you?
One, it taught me what you also know about this. One, I was very unfit for a lot of hikes and treks that it taught me.
But what do we do with that teaching? It clearly didn't change you.
That's a good point. Moving on to the second.
I did not know कि देखो ये revelation भूटान में भी हुई थी.
भूटान में भी हो गई
मुझे
थी.
लगा था देखो ये revelation
मैंने
बाली
तुम्हें
में
ये
हुई
story
थी. नहीं,
मैं-
मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे
मैंने-
बाली वाली story पता है. Your friends had to pick you up
Yes.
to complete a fucking छोटा सा hike, not even a trek.
But in this, I had a better hack. यहाँ पे आप क्या करते हो?
आप basket में घुस गए किसी
नहीं.
के. अरे वो होते नहीं जैसे
नहीं
जब
भाई,
pilgrimage
human
में
carry.
जाते हैं वो.
नहीं, you could hire a donkey, like a horse, छोटू horse. So then the thing is, all the oldies did the climb to Dragon's Nest, and I was a little too heavy. So first they gave me a horse, and then the horse started making some noises. So I was clearly too heavy for the horse. Okay. So then these guides are looking at me saying, "इस मोटे को हटा के कहीं और बड़ा घोड़ा लेके आओ." So then they're fucking searching for the biggest horse. That horse could handle me, so that was really good. Then the horse takes you to midpoint, and then you do the rest of the hike, which I could manage. But at least midpoint तक घोड़े ने मेरे को बचाया. Haven't I told you this? I've told you now. I almost
Maybe.
killed 2 Chinese aunties because of the horse. Have I not told you this?
Maybe I'm forgetting.
हाँ, तो if you've forgotten, तो the horse was carrying me ऊपर, and मेरे आगे ना 2 वो Chinese आंटी ऐसे लूलू लेमन और ट्रैक सूट में चल रही थी. तो इसने घोड़े ने
तब
देखा,
लुलुलेमन था.
जो भी, मैं तो अज्यूम कर रहा हूँ वही बनाते हैं फैक्ट्रीज में. तो एनीवे, तो वहां पे एक घोड़े ने देखा दूर की पौधे हैं, घोड़े को लगी भूख, तो घोड़े ने ऐसे लेफ्ट कट मारा, और उसमें क्या हुआ, घोड़ा लगा चाइनीज आंटी को, चाइनीज आंटी गिर गई. वो खाई से गिर सकती थी भाई, वाट लग जाती, न्यूज आ जाती, इंडियन मैन किल चाइनीज वुमन, सिया पॉइंट बन जाता वहां. तो बच गए हम.
Not even for a lover though.
नो, लव ऑफ द
Okay.
नेशन.
But okay, cool. So we both get one.
हाँ,
match?
1 point.
Sure.
Both 1 point.
You've hiked a trail just to see what's at the top.
Absolutely no.
I am 100% sure I've done this as a child.
You saw a mountain, you climbed.
I've hiked a trail. Of course, like if you know, haven't you been curious as a child when you've gone out with your friends? You know, like those famous 5 Enid Blyton
Yes.
types. कि जाओ देखते हैं आगे
यहाँ पे
इसमें
क्या
हमें
है?
क्या? I've been Little Dora.
You want to be little Thimpu or little Dora? You please
Both.
tell me.
I have all.
Dora Preet Kaur Thimpu.
No, I have various alter egos.
The only time, it's very embarrassing to say, but the only time I have ever wondered what is on top of the mountain is Delhi border पे ना वो जो कचरे का पहाड़ नहीं है which every time see, because every time we would drive to Ludhiana from
अभी भी
Delhi,
है वो?
अभी apparently कम हो गया
कम हुआ है ना?
So that is the only mountain like I want to see what the fuck is on top.
I have done this.
You've done what? You've climbed the Kachra mountain?
No. Oh, this category.
They should do a Dora the Explorer episode on top of that कचरे का पहाड़
हाँ।
दिल्ली के border पे.
हाँ, डोरा चलो देखते हैं इस कचरे के पहाड़ के पीछे क्या है.
Oh my god,
कितनी बदबू आ रही है.
रिजेक्टेड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इसे तो मैं घर पे ओ ये तो मेरे ही चाचू ने बनाया था फैक्ट्री के अंदर
डोरा डोरा डोरा.
अरे वो अलग है, वो घोड़ा 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 दुम दबा के दौड़ा है,
नहीं,
लकड़ी की काटी है वो.
नहीं, इसका भी वही था डोरा 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 द एक्सप्लोरर. एंड यू राइट, लकड़ी की काठी.
काठी पे डोरा बन सकता है. इट्स अ मैशअप. दीपराज को बोलते हैं मैशअप.
काठी पे डोरा.
1-1. Okay, 1-1.
You have once hugged a tree and thought it felt magical. I- चिपको मूवमेंट काइंड.
चिपको मूवमेंट यही था.
मैंने नहीं करा है पर मैं कर सकती हूँ. आई एम अ फेरी.
I don't even know what this question is.
I have one.
This is not
You have
free
one.
spirit.
It's like
One
very
second.
feeling whimsical and
It's
believing there's magic all around.
Arey brother, am as much a tree lover as you are, but hugging a tree does not make you a free spirit. Hugging a
Hey, and you think that there's magic in the world. Oh my god, I feel calm when I hug a tree. You have chased sunsets hoping
one
for
second, you didn't ask my opinion.
I'm sure you haven't done this.
You
You
think I
hug-
won't hug a tree?
You don't
What makes you
hug-
think I won't hug a tree? You are right, I haven't hugged a tree. Sorry.
You've explored a new city without a map.
Yes,
Yeah.
we have done that. We've done that a bunch of cities.
Okay, one.
Both guessed one.
You have created a makeshift picnic in your backyard or living room. No.
Backyard?
It's my dream.
Living room? Backyard? Have you lived in a Mumbai apartment? ये क्या है ये?
But I would love this.
To have a picnic.
In when I was growing up and we were staying in Delhi, we used to do this though.
I also think कि I do think कि पिकनिक्स बहुत कॉमन होती थी छोटे होते. हमने भी किया हुआ है, लोधी गार्डन वगैरह में भी होता था. बट मुझे ये भी पता है कि I don't know if this happened to you. I grew up reading Enid Blyton, right? So वही famous 5, Secret 7. Used to love those books growing up. तो इनकी पिकनिक्स जो होती थी बच्चों की ना वो
कितनी रोमांटिक लगती
कितनी
थी.
रोमांटिक लगती थी. और इनके खाने भी क्या होते थे? Scones with cream,
No, but I feel
tomatoes.
like back then even like bread and butter would look appetizing.
And the way they would describe it
Present
कि,
it.
कि hot butter with marmalade. हमारी पिकनिक में बैंड निकलता था वही आलू का पराठा जो साला सुबह तुमने घर पे खाया वो भी
पर आलू
ठंडा.
का पराठा वो लोग बोलते थे, वो बोलेंगे pancakes.
पैनकेक्स नहीं.
Potato pancakes with butter on top.
But-
Dollop of butter on top.
बट वो इतने
Melting,
खूबसूरत लगते थे.
इतने buttery silky butter.
मेरे को 32 साल की उम्र में पता चला है स्कोन होता क्या है. मैंने एक बारी बेकरी में स्कोन देखा बैंड्रा में. आई वाज लाइक ओ फक, ये तो एनिड ब्लाइटन में होता था यार. ये होती है वो चीज. फक.
Even I remember Heidi, I used to watch.
I-
Heidi would go up the hill and have water, milk with grandfather.
यस. What is clotted cream? I want to
I don't
understand.
know.
ये भी बड़ा खाते होते थे. जैम एंड clotted cream.
I
ये
don't know.
colonial foods ना ये साले साउंड बहुत
But
अच्छा
I
करते हैं.
feel we should find a picnic spot and do a
Hmm.
picnic. Maybe next week or something, Gursimran, if you're up for it with me.
Let's do that. Where? In the monsoon?
Yeah,
I will only do it if you hug a
monsoon
tree.
में मजा. I can hug a tree, bro. What the
Okay,
fuck?
cool. I think that's a bigger challenge in Mumbai right now to find a tree to hug.
उसका
Then
गिर
find a
जाएगा.
picnic spot.
नहीं, while hugging the tree will fall on you.
You've just had a near-death experience.
I should have hugged that tree.
Maybe that's why I was trying to kill you.
You have planted something just to see if it would grow. I have done this.
No,
as a
but
child.
but
Random seeds. और maybe अगर मैं कुछ खा रही हूँ fruit से वो seeds मैंने वो plant कर दिया है कुछ. The problem is it would not grow because I would then forget about it the next day. So I would not water it or take care of it.
तो फायदा, that is not planting something to grow. That is called burying something.
The intention was to see it grow. वो मर गया in the process. I'll give myself one for
तुम्हें
this.
ये आइडिया नहीं होगा, तुम्हें शायद पता नहीं है. मैंने कुछ अलग जगह पे बताया. जब AIB स्टार्ट हुआ था ना तो I
तुमने
had gone.
plant करा था
हाँ,
tree.
तो I had gone to some TEDx and at the end of TEDx वो
As a-
speech
you have
वगैरह
to
तो हो गई.
plant trees.
हाँ, so they
Yeah.
said कि we are planting a tree in your name. What do you want to call the tree? तो I just called it AIB tree. So there is some.
Is there a tree called AIB tree that exists?
Yeah, in some Bangalore, some engineering college off
We are
outside of
fine
Bangalore.
that. AIB नहीं रहा तो क्या हुआ? AIB का पेड़ तो अभी भी जिंदा है. क्या पता वो भी काट दिया उन लोगों ने. We should find that tree. Guys, let's do this. Let's go on a
Let me
mission.
find the institution
Bangalore, na?
somewhere on the
You're
outskirts of
going
something.
also to Bangalore. Okay, oh my god, when we're going to Bangalore next month, we must find this tree.
Find the tree.
And just take a picture with it, an AIB tree.
Okay,
That's
cool.
so
I'll find. I
exciting.
had planted
How
it.
have you not? You had planted an AIB tree. Oh, that's so cute.
लिटिल डोरा का भोसड़ा हो गया दिमाग. लिटिल
We'll go and
लिटिल थिम्पू पागल हो चुकी
We'll
है.
go and hug that tree. Isn't that cute? But it's a
If it is still around, first of all, you need to tell me first the institute must exist. I will Google. Okay.
You have joined a community event without knowing anyone. Matlab, I have.
Yes, online video games. They're all community events where I don't know
Yeah,
anyone.
I also have joined Farmville community event, community groups, acting community events. मैंने
Acting
इतने
community
करे
event
हैं.
you've done. हाँ, correct.
I didn't know anyone.
You are winning. Again, you are putting points for yourself.
Yeah, you take care of your points. मैं अपना because I don't trust you with math.
Okay,
You
9-3.
have participated. How have you got 3?
अभी मैंने करा ना पेड़ उगाया और वो
You
किया.
have You did not do it on your own. You had to. It was like
पर तो क्या हुआ करा तो?
उसका चल छोड़ ठीक है. You have participated in an impromptu dance party with friends. मतलब मैं
No.
बाहर गई हूँ अब डांस पार्टी ऐसा मैंने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं मैं
No,
भी नहीं
zero-
दूंगी.
zero
हाँ,
for both.
Sure. You have tried a bizarre food combo just for fun. Of course.
All the time.
Both of us
All the
have.
time.
And I have to say you are more experimentative with food than
I am
me.
way more experimentative with food. I think खाने में मेरे को तुम अतरंगी कुछ भी खिला दो मैं पेल दूंगा.
हाँ,
मेरे को
हाँ.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती तुम्हारी फट जाती
You
है.
have worn pajamas to a fancy party and owned it. I don't attend too many parties, but I'm fully capable of wearing pajamas and
Yes.
going anywhere. I don't really care.
If somebody throws a fancy, avoid parties like the plague. But if somebody throws a party and just says pajama
You
पहन
will
के
love
आओ,
it.
I would actually
शायद
go.
तू तब चले जाए.
शायद मैं तब चले
हाँ.
आऊँ. तुम्हें पता है मैंने बहुत recently भी parties avoid करी हैं for this reason कि यार कौन तैयार हो कौन जाए नहीं.
So both of us get 1-1.
1-1.
You have gone to a concert just because friends were going. I've not been to
No.
too many concerts, but no, I haven't. I don't mind, but I don't think I have too many friends who have wanted to like take me
No.
along to a concert.
No, never.
You have flipped a coin.
Can I tell you one concert I have been to? I just remembered. Out of without friends knowing, but impulsive decision.
have?
Yes, impulsive decision. Because I used to. I don't want to give away the location, but there was close to the house. There was a Udit Narayan concert happening. Okay, and this is when I'm in college in Delhi. And there was a free ticket, and no friends was going because it's a fucking Udit Narayan concert. Friends were like, we don't want to go. I went. I had a great time. He sang all the hits, all the 90s hits.
But it's not this.
It's not
You
this.
went alone. I've
Alone.
also gone to a concert ऐसे,
Alone.
but ऐसा नहीं था कि just
Fair,
because
fair.
मेरे friends जा
Fair,
रहे हैं.
fair, fair,
पर
fair.
मैं fully capable हूँ ये करने
तुम
की
कर
कि अगर
लोगे.
मेरे friends जा रहे हैं तो मैं भी
हाँ,
करूँगी.
100%.
But I'm not giving myself marks for this.
Okay.
You have
And me?
flipped a coin. No.
Okay.
You have flipped a coin to decide on a spontaneous adventure.
No.
But we tried shooting something where we had to flip a coin.
Yeah.
But we can't talk about it right now. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
I would love to. You have built a fort with blankets for fun. Yes.
Yes.
As a child. And who hasn't?
Who hasn't?
मैं तो अभी भी कर लूँ ये.
Yeah, with our nieces also he played fort.
Yeah. You have participated in a flash mob. I haven't. I'm
No,
not that
no interest.
adventurous.
No interest.
You've jumped into a pool fully clothed.
Yes.
When?
All the time मेरे मैन बूब से डर लगता था तो मैं तो कपड़ों में ही उतरता था पहले.
वो अलग बात है पर ऐसे लाइक इन दीस क्लोज मैंने नहीं करा है. मैं कर
नहीं.
सकती हूँ मैंने करा
मेरे को
नहीं
एक पॉइंट दे सकते हो तुम इसके
है.
लिए.
नहीं आधा दे ले चल.
आधा पॉइंट.
So okay, that's it. So I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm 16.
16.
Yeah,
And how many out of?
out of 28.
And how many am I?
You tell me.
I was at 5 last I checked.
You are a cautious adventurer. Okay.
That is correct.
Dipping your toes into the fun. While
Yes.
I am a bold dreamer. I'm a bold dreamer. Always ready to embrace the unexpected. However, मुझसे पहले भी मेरे बाद एक true free spirit है. So I'll just tell you, if your score is between 1 to 7, you are a
Okay.
cautious adventurer, dipping your toes into the fun. If your score is between 8 to 14, you are a curious explorer, open to excitement but with balance. If your score is between 15 to 21, you're a bold dreamer, always ready to embrace the unexpected. And if your score is between 22 to 28, you are a true free spirit, living life with wild energy and joy. I think it's quite accurate. I would not say I'm an extreme,
Yeah.
but I'm pretty up there. And you are a baby.
I just want to say there is nothing that encapsulates being free spirited than us starting to shoot an episode, having a full run order, and then you discovering a quiz at the back of a notebook, and us doing a whole fucking episode on this fucking
but
notebook.
Guys, play with us. I hope you played with us,
ये-
and I hope you have your scores.
ये
and
कौन सी डायरी है कुछ
पता
बता
नहीं ये okay, I'll tell you the story behind this diary also. There is something
हाँ.
that I religiously follow. Not religiously, I try to follow as much
हाँ.
as I can. It's called the morning pages.
Correct.
All of you, anyone who is creative or wants to probably cultivate the creative side in you, you must try this
Yeah.
practice. Please Google it. A part of that is a ritual where in the morning when you wake up, without thinking, you should write 3 pages
Yeah.
in your diary. उनकी तो अलग डायरी भी
Stream
आती है
of
which is quite big.
consciousness,
It's called
हाँ.
stream of consciousness. And I'm not kidding, it has helped me so much in my life
Yeah.
to understand myself better, to also be more creative, to help to just create better. So it's called the morning pages, and I wanted Gursimran also to do it. So one day I made him sit with me. I was like, okay, now in the morning we'll have our coffee and we will not talk. We will just write in our diaries and don't judge yourself.
Yeah.
Just write whatever is coming to
In
your
your
head.
head.
अब बस लिखते जाओ and then over a period of time you will realize that you're getting a lot of the answers that you have been seeking for a while through your writing, and it just helps. I swear by it. And हम बैठे थे लिखने and मैंने कहा था कि हम this is for you. I won't read it. You won't read mine. But today he just gave me this कि you can write your notes in this, and I just opened it and I realized he has only filled 1 page. 1 page. अच्छा बीच में कुछ और भी है और 1-2 pages शायद. But that's all.
3 pages.
Not bad. 3-4. I'm not gonna read it.
Yeah, please don't.
But it's cute. You have very cute handwriting.
No, I don't. It's
But
terrible
yeah, so
handwriting.
basically this is Gursimran's morning pages ka diary.
Which at the back had a episode, which we did not know.
Yeah. Are you a face? I think it was the universe telling us to do an episode on
Do an
this.
episode on this.
Maybe
yes.
we really need an episode on this. Maybe इसमें हमें views आ जाए.
On
There
that
is-
note.
There is another thing.
अरे भाई ये नहीं करेंगे
It's
अभी.
called it's called wrong answers only.
वो तो गेम है, improv game. Okay. On that note, thank you very
Yes,
much.
but I want to know your scores and tell us,
Yes.
give us answers also. If any question
Yeah,
that
you can
kind
play
of
along.
resonates with you, tell
Correct.
us about your experiences.
Okay, bye.
But I am a free spirit.
Yes, तो पहले ही पता था ये बिना क्विज के ही बोल सकता था मैं.
Free spirit in Hindi is खुली आत्मा.
तुम little
मुफ्त आत्मा.
थिम्पू.
Little thing.
Bye bye.